Hey everyone, welcome to $2 Tuesday. So there are two kits in the shop for today. Here is the first one. This is the Sunset Stroll kit. Okay, so this is the deluxe version. The first 4 pages, as per usual, are in the essential kit. You can always find all of these a la carte, by the way, but this one is the Sunset Stroll. I've been doing photo kits for $2 Tuesday, so just FYI. But here is a closer look at these full boxes here. It's like a very peach and neutral kind of kit without it being like too brown, because I know sometimes some of these photo kits can be a little bit more brown. So I tried making this one a little bit more orange, but not like overly orange. So you still have like hints of like that coffee brown with a touch of the blue tone that some of the sky and like water touches base on. So yeah, this one is the full boxes here. And then we have the icon sheet. So we have all the icons and the script stickers. You can also get a script sticker sheet a la carte. It's just a smaller version of most of these stickers. And then we have the checklists. So here's all the checklists. I tried doing a few backgrounds on here, but for the most part, it's kind of like half and half. Then we have the functional boxes. So this is all of the boxes, basically. Half boxes, quarter boxes, and a few skinnies, plus like sidebar stickers, or if you need like an appointment. And a few like dividers and like washi strips type of thing up here. That is the functional box sheet. Again, available a la carte, and that is the essential kit. The deluxe version comes with 2 more sticker sheets. So it's these 2 pages, the washi and date header sheet, and then the deco sheet. So that's what these are. Also, by the way, all of my kits come with foil. Sometimes I show the foil, sometimes I'm not. The next kit I do have with foil, so if you want to skip ahead, go ahead. But yeah, this one is the deco sheet here. This is like a fun bunch of bits basically for all of your planners, plus some flags, an extra sidebar sticker, and extra boxes like down here. And then we have, of course, like the washi and date headers, but that is a closer look at that washi here. We have some flags and some canceled stickers because sometimes those are needed. That is the Sunset Stroll kit here. Actually, and I just realized that I literally match with this kit, like blue nails and a peach sweatshirt. That was so not intentional, by the way, but I guess I match without you guys actually seeing me. I guess I did put up a story earlier today. Anyway, moving on to the next kit. This is the Onyx kit. Completely different than the previous kit, because I know some people were wanting like a very black planner kit. So I tried doing this, you guys. It's totally out of what I normally do, but I did bring it. And I had to show you guys the foil in here, because even if I do like the black overlays digitally, you can't actually see this foil with on the black, since the black overlays are black. So here's a closer look at these full boxes and that foil. It's just a like sparkle. It's very simple, minimalist. It's just a touch of foil. Actually, most of the kits, if you do get the foil, there are touches of foil. It sometimes varies between the kits, but like I try to like do touches of foil. So like this one here for sure has like it on the candle, not like around it. So this one is the Onyx full boxes, as you guys can see, and all the foil kits come with glossy. I know some people don't like that, but it's the only way I can get the foil the way I want it to be. So yeah, that is why I do glossy. Anyway, going on to the next one. This sheet, there's like only 2 sheets in this entire kit that don't come with foil, and this one is one of them. It's the icon sheet. So yeah, icon script stickers and like mini checklists don't come with foil, but there are a few other sheets that do, like the functional boxes sheet. So all of the bows up here and the appointments and bill dues do have foil, as well as the boxes. And like I said, they do have like touches of foil, because I want you guys to be able to still write in these. And if you're wondering what kind of pen you can use, I literally just use any pen that I normally use. I use like the Zebra Sarasa pen or, you know, Inkjoy like gel pens. You can also use a permanent marker. I usually don't have problems with writing. You just make sure that it dries fully. So if you use like a very inky pen, it might take a little bit longer to dry. And then the next sheet that does not have foil is the checklist sheet. I did include different like backgrounds in here to give it a little bit more like texture. And then we have the Deco sheet here. When I say that most of the kits you can kind of figure out what the foil looks like, it's mainly because all the white part just gets turned into foil whenever I foil it. So let me show you guys an example because I feel like I've said it before. So here is the Sunset Stroll sheet. So as you can see, everything that's basically white here is in silver on this side. By the way, this is the silver foil. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but yeah, that's how you can kind of see sometimes the foil. By any chance, if you see this with like something else, instead of bows, like stars or something, this sheet will be stars as well. But yeah, most of this is a foil page since it's like mostly deco. And then we have the washi and the date headers. So this is what that looks like. And I usually add a touch of foil on these flags as well as some of the washi. So you guys can see a bit of sparkle on there. And then the days of the week also come with foil. So yeah, that is the Onyx kit. Now in the shop for $2 Tuesday, $2 per sheet also if you get the foil version. And then also here is the Sunset Stroll kit. So both of these are in the shop. Make sure you go check that out. I will link everything down in the description. Make sure you stay tuned for new releases on Friday. And that is it for this week. Next $2 Tuesday will be in April, just as an FYI. It's the second and third Tuesday of April. Right now, I'm just doing two $2 Tuesdays, so make sure you take advantage of the sale. So that is it for today, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye, everyone.